Good morning, my neighbors. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Dodos, but I like to say Iamdodos. And you're a returning subscriber. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for understanding that it's not always rosy. And being a YouTuber is so hard. Like, I won't even lie to you, so hard. And I feel like I'm always dealing with inconsistency issues on YouTube, which is like, how do I balance my actual life as a makeup artist or as an influencer and, you know, being on YouTube. So I just got my delivery from Ibilola Ogundipe, and she's the one that makes most of my outfits that I wear for weddings. And also I received the Tecno Camon X Pro camera, which I'm currently testing out. I'm using this to film at the moment as we speak. And one of the really cool features which I saw online about this phone is I had a 24 megapixel selfie camera. Do you guys know what that means? That means like all my selfies are about to be lit. Means yeah, I'm about to just mess things up. My stage is about to be on 100. But yeah, so far this video looks really crisp. Yeah, I feel like Tecno, they kind of come through with their camera, to be quite honest. So I'm just gonna stop babbling. Yesterday, Genevieve Nnaji posted a Shaku Shaku video that broke the... I watched it this morning and I just was trying to learn how to... Today I have a couple of appointments at the studio, but it's a very light day. I thought it would be perfect to just take you there, show you guys where I work, show you what I do. Hi Veronica. What are you doing?
Getting my nails, taking off my curls.
Hi Dave. How are you? Hi. So this is Dave, the photographer. And this is Soraya, a beautiful model today. This is my assistant fixing my lashes. I'm so late for this wedding. Guys, I am done, ready for the wedding. I'm just glowing, man, in the dark. It's pitch black outside and my camera is just still lit. Like, This is gonna be amazing, you guys. You can't even lie. You can't even right now, yeah. If you're telling me that this camera is not on point, it means you're just a hater, so it's fine.